In this video, we will see one of the best tools for detailing in Comosys, which is grouped object selection. Using grouped object selection, user can save lots of time and eliminate human errors while detailing and designing. To understand abilities of the grouped object selection, let us select full model objects using crossing window selection and press Enter in the keyboard to open grouped object selection window. In this window, we can see categories of all types of objects filtered in different groups. Let us select profiles to see all the different type profiles available in this model. As we select each profile type in the list, we can notice that all the members with selected profiles are being highlighted in the model. This will help user to modify in bulk as per the criteria of selection. We can also filter based on beam group, type of materials, and beam type. Also, when we select plates category, we can notice list of plates grouped and filtered as per their thicknesses. Also, we can filter plates as per their materials, grades, and types. Let us also select macro category. We can see list of all types of macros used in this model. User can select any macro from the list, so that all those macros in the model will be selected. As an example, let us select Apex Hinge Connection macro in the list. User can notice all the 5 macros were selected in the model. User can press Enter in the keyboard to open macro properties, and we can edit the macro in bulk as required. To try another example, let us select Profiles category and select Materials only to display used materials list in the model. Select Group Grade 50 and press Enter in the keyboard to open Properties window of all the members with grade 50. Now, we can able to change the materials grade to required grade of that particular group. As you can see, we have identified and changed materials grades easily with the help of the grouped object selection. Another practical example where the grouped object selection is very useful. Select Weld category to find 4 types of filter options, which are weld type, size, materials, and line type. Select material alone to find the weld materials types used in this model. Select weld type and open properties of weld and modify as required. As you can see, we have identified and changed weld materials for full job very quickly. If you have any questions or clarifications, please do let us know. Thank you.